Hi folks, in this video I would like to explain how to increase microphone sensitivity on Windows 11 system. We need to open Control Panel. Then we go to Hardware and Sound. Here we choose Recording. And then we find the microphone that is active at the moment. It will have a green check at it. Right click, Properties, Levels, and here you choose your microphone sensitivity. It should be as high as possible, so in this case 100 it will be the best. When you choose 100 here or here, click OK, and that's it. Your microphone sensitivity is at its top. If it doesn't work, sometimes it doesn't work, you might have some kind of software that has its own settings. Like in my case, it's JBL Quantum Stream. I can change microphone sensitivity here in this app. But I will not be explaining this right now. The basic settings are here. And I hope this video will be helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.